a small flat brush and one stroke, I'm using yellow and orange. Paint 2 hearts like this to form the goldfish lips. Now with an angled 3/4 inch brush and one stroke, paint 2 circles for the bodies. With the same brush, I painted the fish tails. Take a smaller angled brush and paint the side fin. Using a small pointed round brush, paint the eyes. With a small flat brush, paint some hearts between the fish like this. I then outlined the hearts with blue paint. And then I painted some teardrops to form small waves. With a round pointed brush, I painted more strokes for feather tails. Goldfish love, all ready for Valentine's.